Greetings, Lonnie here with some awesome news for those of you who want a system already established, and all you have to do is plug in and go. Let's check out Max and James SuperFunnel Academy. I would like to introduce to you the one and only Done-For-You SuperFunnel. You're going to receive a Done-For-You co-branded funnel. You're going to be able to put your name on this. You're partnering with them. They're branding everything to you. You're going to get a step-by-step done for you. No funnel builder required. They're giving that to you absolutely free. Community access. They handle all customer support and you need one sale to be in profit. No content creation, no copywriting skills. No graphic design skills needed. No product creation. You get to bank hundreds per sale. They're giving you this done-for-you product and you will be able to bank up to $500 a sale. All you have to do is generate traffic and they show you how, step by step. Traffic is generated by social traffic and you do not have to be on camera, no talking or anything you're uncomfortable with. They offer many methods in which you can use to drive sales to your affiliate link. This is as close to automated and automatic as it comes. I encourage you to click the link in the description and learn more about this fantastic opportunity that will definitely get you paid. Well, that is all I have for you today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel for more game-changing info. Until next time, good day.